In this video, I'm going to share my favorite head massage technique, which is also called aponeurosis massage. Feel free to try this with me. I start with gentle massage working through my hair. No pressure is needed. Do this for about 1 minute. The following technique is perfect to stimulate hair growth, but also rejuvenate your face. Let's continue by moving the skin along the scalp bone. It sounds weird, but rather than creating friction in your hair and doing random movements, we are really concentrating on moving the scalp. Your fingers need to be firmly placed on the scalp. Don't forget to work all around your head. Pulling your hair is also a fantastic way to stimulate hair follicles. Again, here we're also trying to kind of separate the skin from the scalp bone. Pay attention to the area behind your ears. Very gentle motions. Now, let's move on to the temples. Fix your palms to the temples and massage in slow, circular motions. Your muscles should feel warmed up and relaxed by now. Next, place your fingers on the forehead and continue moving the skin. There is no rubbing, skin moves together with your fingers. We're finishing this wonderful practice by gently combing through our hair with the fingers. And that's my favorite head massage technique for face rejuvenation and better hair growth. If you have a problem with hair shedding, a technique like this may also help you. You can totally do this massage daily for a few minutes only, but not longer. If you enjoy my natural beauty content, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more. Bye for now.